Today we're looking at the 2018 Ford Taurus.
I wonder what you got, you rascal, you.
And then we come to the trunk, which is the size of a small apartment, actually. It is very large, and in fact,
all joking aside, the greatest generation has been around long enough to know what makes a good car, which is why they buy the Taurus.
It's had such a huge facelift since its early days. It offers a wide wheelbase and 19-inch wheels for the limited edition, and on top of that, an all-wheel drive, which is optional with the Ford Taurus. So the Ford Taurus has a V6 engine. It's not exactly what you would call a corner turner. It's not something you take to a drag race. However, what it does have is 288 horsepower that you can put towards getting out of the way if something is coming at you. It has enough power behind it, that way you can get up and go if you need to. A couple of the other features that you'll see on the Taurus is this power dome hood. For the Limited, you have this chrome accent, so you have it on the grille, around the lights, we have it on the mirror cap. We also have it on the badges here. You have 3 different trim levels and then a performance level. So you have the SE, the SEL, and the Limited. Now today we have the Limited, but there's also a 4th option, which is the SHO. Okay, so the SHO, SHO, is the performance model of Taurus. Now that we've had an overview of the car, let's take it for a drive and see how it handles.
Okay, so let's talk about the interior.
now this console right here, I love this.
Yeah, I like the console too.
It's plenty of room. Now, of course, I've driven some cars. I'm 6'4", and so when I get into a car, leg room's number one.
Sure.
And as well as knee room, and I've got plenty in here.
That's
but also headroom. But right here, sometimes when I in certain vehicles, I've gone to flip the sun visor down and actually had to move back because of it. This is nice. You don't have to do that. This also has a sliding visor where you can get the whole window.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so for the Taurus, I think comfort is especially important. That's kind of like one of the big things for a Taurus. I think it's very comfortable. Like it drives really. It feels comfortable to drive. I don't feel like I'm like rocking on the road too much.
Right.
You know?
No. Yeah.
Like it's just
very smooth.
It's a very smooth drive. All right, we'll put this in sports. You got your shifters right here.
Cool.
I mean, it's not like your grandma's gonna be slapping this in sport mode. Yeah. Oh man. I mean, she might. I think that the sides here, I think it might just be for comfort's sake, so that way you have somewhere to put your arm and you're kind of relaxing.
I do like how that is kind of indented in.
It feels like you're riding in a sofa, which is kind of cool, and I like that.
Grandmother's sofa.
Your grandmother's sofa.
The seats are really, really comfortable.
Yes,
though.
these are 10-way seats for the Limited.
The 10-way seats.
10-way seats.
You keep talking.
So
I'll be back in a minute.
you can like bend your body in 10 different ways, and that's essentially what these seats are good for. So in case you have like a hankering to like twist yourself and contort yourself, that's what these seats are good for. I think the wide wheelbase is like a huge plus for me. I like the feeling of like, it feels like a car to me, like an actual car as opposed to like a go-kart. You know, where you have like a smaller mid-size sedan. It just doesn't have the same feeling to it that I really want in a car. This is not exactly one of those kind of cars that like a high schooler would be going for. I mean, or like even a college student. I mean, I guess some college student can pick up chicks in this car. Yeah. I just don't feel it, I just don't think it's there.
This would be a absolutely fabulous car for an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. Plenty of room, and plus if you're in the vehicle for a long time, you've got your lumbar support. You've got, you can lean this thing back, wait for, somebody to ring you up, come get them. You can almost lounge back like you're in a living room in this thing. See what the sound system sounds like.
Yeah, okay.
I'm curious.
Go ahead, hit it up. There we go.
That's it for today. Be on the lookout for more content coming soon. I'm Jonah, and this is Jacky Jones Ford TV.